Hello guys, I've been getting lots of emails requesting that I teach how to make an avatar talk and make hand gestures. That's exactly why I've brought this updated tutorial to show you the newest, easiest and most affordable way to make your avatar talk without breaking the bank. In this video, I will share with you two amazing platforms you can use to animate your character. People have been making lots of money on this platform using avatar. Yes, you heard me right, talking avatar. For those of us that are shy, for those of us that don't want to show our faces, you can use avatar to advertise your business. You can use your avatar to portray what you want to say. So guys, the first step is to generate our avatar. Yes, our talking avatar. There are two main AI apps that I'll be using to generate these images. So the very first one is Chat GPT. Yes, our popular Chat GPT. So I have my prompts ready. I'll just copy and paste. The link to my Telegram channel is on my description box. So if you're interested in knowing the prompts I use to generate my image, simply go to my description box to join my Telegram community. Yeah, so we just copy and paste and let's see what ChatGPT will give us. So guys, our image is ready. So I'll just tap on this place and wow, this is beautiful. It just followed my prompts, both the hair, the clothes, the tiny waist, the lighting, everything is so beautiful. So you just save this and voila, we have our avatar. Yeah guys, if you're interested in knowing the prompts I used, like I said earlier, check in my description box. It will take you to my Telegram channel and you can access the prompt from there. So guys, the second AI app we'll be using for our image generation is called Leonardo AI. Yes, I know that many of us have come across this platform. It's a very beautiful one. So I'll be using the same prompts I used in ChatGPT to generate this particular one. Let us see what Leonardo AI would give us. So we just simply come to our Chrome browser and type Leonardo AI. Then if you're using it for the first time, do well to sign up with your Google account or your email account. So you just quickly tap on this particular place and you will tap on get started. Yes, and this is what the interface looks like. One beautiful thing with Leonardo AI is that it gives free credit every single day. Once you exhaust it, come back the next day and your credit will be there awaiting you. So we quickly type our prompt, that particular one we copied from Chat GPT, and look at the aspect ratio. We are using 16:9, which is the recommended ratio, aspect ratio for YouTube. Yes, and that's it. We will now click on generate and let us see what Leonardo AI would give us. Alright, so guys, our image is ready. Look at that, look at that. The girl is beautiful, don't you think so? So guys, which of the avatars do you prefer? The one from ChatGPT or the one Leonardo gave us? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So to download it, you just tap on it and yeah, you download and you're good to go. You're good to go. So let's go back to the next step. Alright guys, the next step is to make our avatar to talk. Yes, the next step is to animate our avatar. So the very first app we'll be using to animate our avatar is called Dreamina CapCut AI. Yes, Dreamina CapCut AI is a CapCut app. So we just go over to our Chrome browser, then we will now type Dreamina CapCut AI. Then I type on this place. Lest I forget, Dreamina CapCut AI requires that you use your VPN. You have to download VPN. I will recommend you download Thunder VPN. This particular one here. When you download it, you tap on it, then you will now click on connect. And once you've connected, it will show that you have connected. Go back to your Chrome browser here, then tap on this place, Gemini CapCut AI, and this is what the interface looks like. So this place they wrote AI agent. You tap on this place they wrote AI agent here. You will see AI agent, AI image, AI video, and AI avatar. This place they wrote AI avatar, the last one. Tap on it. Just tap on it. Then you have this place they said upload audio. If you don't want to use your text or prompt, if let's say you have already recorded your voice and you want to upload it, you tap on this upload audio. For me, I love using my voice. I don't know for you. I love using my voice because I already have it recorded. So I'll just click on my audio and import my voice. So after importing your voice, you will have to import your avatar. So you import it, click on done, and yes, you have the two of them ready. So you just click on this arrow here and it will start generating. So our video is done generating. What you do is to click on these three dots here and you download your video. So I'll play it for you guys to see. Hello guys, I'll be getting lots of emails requesting that I teach how to make an avatar talk and make hand gestures. That's exactly why I've brought this updated tutorial to show you the newest, easiest and most affordable way to make your avatar talk without breaking the bank. So guys, as you can see, it came out so nice. The hand gestures, the lip sync, everything came out very well. So one limiting factor about this Gemini CapCut AI is that the video is always very short. It does not generate a video that is more than 30 seconds. So you will need to create your videos in batches until you achieve your desired results. Yeah, that's how you have to do it if you want to use Gemini CapCut AI. Or if you want to create a longer video, stay with me to the end because I will be giving you another AI tool that will help you generate longer talking avatar videos. Yes, so stay with me to the end. And if you have stayed up to this extent, do well to like, share, and subscribe. We are not quarreling. Do well to like, share, and subscribe, guys. And let's move over to the next step. So guys, the second free AI app we'll be using to animate our avatar or make our avatar to talk is known as Flow AI. Flow AI. So you can get it on your Chrome browser or your Google browser. So once you open your Chrome browser, you type Flow AI. Yes, you type Flow AI. You click on this first place. Then you click on create with Flow. So if you have not signed up, I will advise you to sign up with your Google account or your email account. Yes, and one beautiful thing about this Flow AI is that it gives free 1 month plan. Yes, free 1 month plan. That is, you can use it for free for 1 month. If I were you, I would grab this golden opportunity. I mean, it is so generous. You can use this particular app for 1 full month for free. So once you type on this particular app, you now tap on this place they said new project. Tap on it. Then let's allow it to load. Yeah, so this is what the interface looks like. So the next step is to tap on this place they say text to video. You will see text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video, create image. Tap on these frames to video because this is what we'll be using. Then you will now import your avatar. This place, this plus sign you're seeing here, you will now import your avatar. You click on this plus sign. You click on upload. You click on media picker. Then you now import your avatar. My avatar have been imported. Then you change it from portrait to landscape. Make sure you change it to from portrait to landscape, guys. Then you save it. Then you now have to type your prompt. What do you want it to say? So I'll just quickly put in what I want it to say. So it's generating. Actually, it's very fast. It doesn't take time to generate. So guys, our video is ready. Yes, so ready. So the next thing is to download it, and you have to click on this arrow here and you download it, and voila, your video is ready. So I'll play it for you guys to see.
If I were you, I'll stay away from all distractions, grab a pen and a paper because it's about to be a masterclass.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel because massive value awaits you.
Guys, can you see that? It's so natural, so confident, guys. So which one do you prefer, the one Dreamina CapCut AI gave us, or the one Flow AI gave us? Which one would you like to experiment? I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section. And please guys, do well to like this video. That's the only way you can encourage me. Do well to subscribe and share to your friends who needs this video, and also do well to check out my other videos. I've made so many tutorials which will help you on your AI tutorial journey or your AI channel. So do well to check out these videos and come back later to thank me. If you're interested in knowing the prompt I used, check the description box. It will give you the link which will take you to my Telegram channel so you can join my amazing community. Thank you very much and see you in my next video. Mwah.